Hello, this is Shashank Biswas. I'll be presenting hepatitis B virus. This is a subsection of our project CRISPR and infectious diseases. Hepatitis B is a harmful disease caused by hepatitis B virus, abbreviated as HBV, which attacks liver cells of the host. Chronic hepatitis B is one of the major infectious diseases which puts people at risk of deaths worldwide along with other infectious diseases. Hepatitis B could be acute or chronic. When the infection goes away in a short while, it is called acute hepatitis B. If it lasts for longer, it is called chronic hepatitis B, which can cause a person suffering from this to have a damaged liver, which might need to be transplanted. Sometimes it wouldn't show any symptoms, or sometimes just the symptoms of a common flu, and you might carry and spread infection unknowingly. Now, how does hepatitis B spread? Hepatitis B can spread through contact with human blood, semen, or other body fluids. So, a pregnant woman could pass the infection to its unborn child. Having unprotected sex with a HPV positive person, using needles, syringes, or other injection equipments, using razors, toothbrushes, nail clippers, or other personal hygiene equipments, having direct contact with the blood, open sores of an infected person, or tattooing with the needles used on an infected person before. Now let us see the hepatitis B genome. The hepatitis B genome is 3020 to 3320 nucleotide long. The negative sense strand shown in the purple is complementary to the viral mRNA. The viral DNA is found in the nucleus soon after infection of the cell. The partially double-stranded DNA is rendered fully double-stranded by completion of the positive sense strand by viral polymerase and removal of a protein molecule from negative sense strand and a short sequence of RNA from the positive sense strand. The pink-colored gene sequence in the ORFC is the ORFC, which is responsible for producing the core of the virus. The blue-colored gene is the DNA polymerase, which are responsible for synthesizing DNA molecule using deoxyribonucleotides. The green-colored gene sequence is responsible for producing the proteins like hepatitis B antigen, which are then placed on the lipid envelope of the virus and help in binding to the host cell membrane. The inner two positive and negative gene strands are the partially double-stranded genes of the main hepatitis B virus. Now, how does hepatitis B virus attack? First, attachment of the virus on the cell. The virus gains entry into the cell by binding to the receptor on the surface of the cell. In the diagram, you can see the yellow-colored shell, which is the caspid layer, which contains the enzymes which will bind to the cell membrane. Sorry, the yellow-colored shell is the lipid. Now, penetration. The virus membrane then fuses with the host cell's membrane, releasing the DNA and core proteins into the cytoplasm of the cell. When the DNA of the hepatitis B virus enters the cell, the circular DNA, which is partially double-stranded, converts into a complete covalently complete circular DNA strand. Then the polymerase helps the virus DNA to replicate and multiply after and also create the shells, the lipid layer, the caspid layer, and then the cell of the host bursts and the produced virus cells are released into the blood plasma. Thank you. This was all about the hepatitis B virus.